Alright guys, so today I'm here. It's like a car meetup at Wolfpen. Never been there, been wanted to come, but this is my first time. I think more cars gonna pull up. So
I drive it in my head. I think so. Fucking windshield. Got a little bit of all the things. And there are so big. Such where is everybody? Well, it's a low-key Wednesday, man. I didn't push it too hard on it. It's the time of day. Yeah. Traffic. Also, people can get here in the summer, too. Kind of taper off, like, when rain and fall, like, yeah. Not that you want to do. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I got a pretty high tolerance for stuff like that. I'm not sure. I just want to do stuff. I can yeah. Well, I think we're gonna make officially the second Wednesday of the month. We've never actually said. Okay, what about?
yeah.
And then we're gonna do Sunday and then Sunday coincide with gas, so that people that want to go to the city one can come here. If they want to go for free gas, and I talked to my buddy who sells gas. I said, let's do that. We could do some collaborative.
By the way, I'm using this handy filter.
Pretty good turnout, especially kind of.
So let's see how this is gonna go. Cause I'm using this like the first time.
Yeah. And that's the thing, is like really it's just a chill thing. And if you get a few people to
Damn, it's coming out really nice.
No, I mean, you're right. And I mean, honestly, like,
Here, you can check out ours if you want. This is his car here. It's just got a new water pump on it, got a new front axle seal on the front drive.
yeah. Sunday we'll have the back, we'll have a sub park here, we'll have a roll over there. Like, Sunday is I love it pretty wild.
Man, this is nice.
Yeah. I actually went, for the first time in years, I went, it kind of reminded me of
So this is the one side.
Bro, this is sick, man.
long as we have my DVD and my yeah. I let him go a little bit and wanted to pull out. What up, brother?
I try not to, but I have one. There's a birthday on I try to do the warrior. They try to see like
You got off the exit? Yeah. I saw it pulling out.
No, they are using the space before that was what caught my eye. Good job. I was like, right, but they yeah, when they went to lead it. Yeah. Oh, I love now that they're doing it with this when they bring it in. I was it's so good, so you're right, no one else is. No, I wouldn't. I don't want to do it, I'm not. Huh?
That'll be a good.
Oh, yeah.
So, you know the reason why.
It has, yeah. They were the original. Like, that was what years ago. Now
Do you want to do Friday too, or can you not do Friday?
Alright, this is Civic Thai car, guys.
I love my court days. Alright, well, great. Well, I will talk to you tomorrow, and you say if you need anything, just give me a call. I'll give you my contact.
I really like the rims. Alright, let's see the back. I think I shot this car before.
I looked at the drive report and they told me everything that transpired. But
Yeah, I have.